that's basically it. Let us know. Hyvä saa puhua aina. Getting ready to roll the fenders, so one thing I wanted to remind you before we start is the procedure what we're going through here. So first we need to clean this surface up so that there's no rocks and no sand. And underneath it, behind it, there's also some dirt, so I think we will do some minor cleanup on there also. There's also a rust protection behind this. So in Finland we use that to protect our cars from the winter salt. So we can't make it completely attached to the body, but quite much we can turn this lip here to the inside so that it will not hit the tire if the chassis comes down. So first clean and then attach the tool, and then we will start heating and rolling slowly this. In the internet there's a lot of variety on videos where people just roughly do this, and I've seen some crazy what they do also with the bats and stuff when they try to make it fit. So they just lift the car and put the bat here and just drop the car and use a bat basically to alter the chassis. So that's something I would never even imagine doing, so don't do that. You will only break the paint here. Rust starts to eat the chassis, so you have to be gentle as with your lady. And basically when we give the heat, it should help the metal also to bend, so a lot of heat and slowly going forward with the tool, that should create the end result we want. So let's get to it. But one safety issue first. I've seen also some crazy that people do underneath the car when the car is not properly supported. So always support the car and not just go with the jack. I don't know why people play with their lives. Somebody go underneath the car, and if the car drops, it can be a fatal one. So always support the car for safety issues before you start working with the car. Remember that. Okay, plan B. There's too much sand. Way too much sand. We need to brush it off. There's actually a lot of sand in there. Okay, normally I wouldn't do this, but like you can see this black area here, so the black mass is there, so you can safely rub it. I can feel it in my fingers, so one should never rub against the paint surface, so I'm not doing that. And there's also the rust protection, I think somewhere beneath here, so we just need to get the sand off before we twist this lip there. So a lot better. I will still use this tool, so you can see it's brand new. Let's see what's inside it. Instructions. 4 pictures. Oh, it's in pieces. Okay, give me a while. And boom! There we go. Let's put this on. While I was editing the material, I couldn't find any closure clip. I don't know what happened. Maybe I didn't shoot it at all, because there has been some months between now and during then when the material was shot. It's currently winter time here in Finland, so the garage is a bit freezing also, so I'm wearing a thick jacket here, and the car is also on winter tires, but and it's quite dirty at the moment. But the main important thing is here that I can show you how the rolling affected the inner lip of the fender. So let's see. I didn't roll it all the way down, it wasn't necessary, so it's basically starting like after 20 centimeters. Roll actually decided that when it's enough, and that's good, it's following the tire lines here. So let me see if I can put you guys inside. That's the inner fender. Like you can see, there's no lip, it's painted inside. I'm trying to squeeze you in, if you can see it. Yeah, like that. It's a bit dirty, but it's there, so it basically just turned like that. The clearance is now a lot better, also with the winter tire, even though the standard rim is way too inside, so the summer tire offset is way up here. But I will include a picture right here that you can see how this is actually looking for the summer tire perspective, so it's better. And now if we come back, we can see that this inner fender basically provides us the possibility for the tire to go inside. This fender is not even bent outside, it's just the lip is turned inside. So that's providing us a lot more room to play. And from the other side, let me put the light somewhere here, or I can just hold it. You can see where the bend is actually starting, so it's coming from here. There's a clip that's not bent, but the lip here is. That's the correct way of doing. Okay, now that's a good point of view. Now it's dirty, so you can see there should be a seam somewhere there, but it's now covered with the dirt. That's basically it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Any ideas? What could be better? What could be worse? Try to read them as much as you can. So talk to you later, and back to the editing table. More material coming soon. See ya.